previous video, we have seen acceleration and deceleration time, and we talked about a term, maximum frequency pattern. In this video, we will discuss further. I will press mode, and next you see at the top of the screen PAR-DRV. I will press right to get to the group known as PAR-BAS. Next, I will scroll down to number 8. I press enter. Now here we see maximum frequency and delta frequency. What is maximum frequency? Well, if acceleration time is 10 seconds and I need to get to maximum frequency, it will take 10 seconds to get to the maximum frequency. In our case, maximum frequency is 60 Hz. So that means to get to 30 Hz, it will take 5 seconds. But what is delta frequency? Let's check out practically. I will select delta frequency and I will press escape to come out to the main screen. Now I will set the target as 30 Hz and I will make it forward, and we can track the time at the bottom of the screen. I will make it forward. And we can see it's slowly ramping to 30 Hz and it took 10 seconds. I will make one more experiment. I will put the target as 31 Hz. Again, we keep the track of the time, and it took 10 seconds to get to 31 Hz. Now I will set the target as 60 Hz. Again, we keep the track of the time, and it took 10 seconds to get to 60 Hz. Now let's find out what is the behavior in case of deceleration. Now keep in mind, deceleration time is set to 5 seconds. So you can see at the bottom of the screen, it took 5 seconds to get to 30. Now let me make the target as 0 Hz. And it took 5 seconds to get to the 0 Hz. So this was all about delta frequency, that whatever will be the target, and it does not depend from where I need to start, is it acceleration or deceleration.